Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I don't want to right now it's kind of different. Let me keep it real, listen. It's not every day I need my first fit, the second fit. Yep, I like to stay in this place. But guys, I don't want to look anyhow today when going to school. What is free food? Free. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Ibtihajumarmusa, and if you are my OG that has been coming back to watch me, thank you so much for tuning in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you'll be seeing this. So yeah, today is 3rd of February. I was supposed to have started this vlog since 1st of February. I wanted to do this February vlog, whatever thing, like the whole of the vlog. I'm going to vlog. I mean, the whole of the month, I'm going to vlog about my day, but not necessarily every day. But yeah, today I'm starting the vlog right now. It's currently past 10. I'm going to school. As you can see, I'm all looking good. And yeah, I have I'm starting my practical, my project practical. Yeah, as a finalist clocked. So I'm starting my project practical today. No, sorry, this week. I'm going to school to like show my project supervisor and the like person that will put me through my practical the equipment that they asked me to bring. I'm not doing much, like, but the money that I'll be spending is a lot, man. Like, it's a lot. But anyways, I just want to introduce this vlog. This is a February vlog, and welcome to my life in school. No, and welcome to my life in school. So yeah, enjoying this vlog with me, just like the way I enjoy vlogging it for you guys, so you can be able to watch. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in school and any day. Yo, hi guys. So guys, I just got to school right now. It's currently 11 and I'll be waiting for my project supervisor. As you can see, the door is actually locked. This one takes time to actually like come to school. Like, she's a soft life person, so but alhamdulillah, as I start this vlog, I hope you actually enjoy, like you get to enjoy watching it. Please anyways, this is what I'm wearing. This red dress and a black scarf. That's actually everything I'm putting on. So I'll just wait. Today I know that I'll be spending like half of the day, like half of my day in school. But anyways, my projects, like it's currently like past 1. I want to start writing my practical. I'll be submitting very soon. Yep. So anyways, watch me while I write. Actually just left the market. I'm going to do a shopping haul for you to see, but right now I came to actually get some like a dress because the girl needs to up her game when it comes to content. So I came to a boutique store in my school. I'm actually like buying stuff. Yep. Let me see the oh my god, the color. I don't actually like pink, but guys, I'm picking this. Can I size? Hi guys, so I just got back from the market and these are actually everything I got. I bought ugu, cabbage, what's the name, green beans, carrots, for more onions. I had to like restock my onions. Then some like plantain. Actually got this for $2.5. How cheap it was. And this also, what's the name, dry fish. So we're eating healthy and more healthier and everything. Actually, I'm supposed to do a haul for you people, but I don't have that strength. Just enjoy this video. Good morning, my beauty. Can you do that? Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? Today is Tuesday and it's currently 5 minutes past 8 because I woke up not quite long. As you can see, I'm still kind of sleepy, but man has to do some things today. You guys, I actually cooked yesterday. Let me show you. This is an empty pot. Like, bro, you're going to see, you see the clip before this video. Anyways, I made geese dodo, but I used pomo because I was unable to get meat, so I used pomo and plantain. And yeah, I actually want to wash my plate right now, and I need to go and get some of the yesterday I was unable to start my practical because I didn't actually get everything I wanted using. So right now, after washing my plate, I would, as you can see, can you see how messy my kitchen looks like? So after I wash, I would go outside to go and like get more leaves. I'm using a leaf and what's the name of this thing? I can't remember, but you see through the whole process of me bringing you along every clips. Yep. So yeah, without much talking, I love you and I'll see you when I see you. I don't know if I've actually like showed you the leaf I'm using, but this is actually what I'm using for my practical. I'm not showing my full face because I'm not covered up. Yeah, so but anyways, it's dried right now, but I need to like test it if the result of what I'm looking for would actually come out. I need to boil this. If it turns to red, like the water changes to red, so be it. This is what I'm using. So I got a new leaf, guys. Like, bro, see my legs, see how dirty my legs are. So the one I thought like I had found, I found it wasn't the one, so I had to like go search for a new one. You guys, I'm sweaty. Hey, okay. Anyways, I'm going back to my house right now, and once it's 10, I'll be entering school. 10-11, I need to rest because I'm tired, nigga. actually go back from school not quite long. It's currently to 7, if I'm not mistaken. So I just want to show you what I've been doing. Yeah, I cooked rice with vegetables. Yep. But anyways, this is not everything. Let me finish, then I'll show you people my face. Yep. Hi guys. Hi guys. So it's currently past 7 right now. Today's Thursday. I cleaned my toilet, I washed my clothes, I did every needful thing that needs to be done because my room was looking like a mess. So I came back. I was very, very hungry, so I cooked. This is actually what I'm eating, guys. Like so yeah, we're doing diets and like I've been on my dieting journey. Hey guys, I don't want to talk too much, but presently I'm in the lab. As you can see, these are my stuffs, and I'm starting my practical right now. I've started actually, but like I want to like start with the whole process and everything now. Then I mean it will take a while for me to get what I'm looking for. But anyways, they just took the light. I'm supposed to use the light to like hit my beaker over there for it to give me what I'm looking for. Then after that, I'll start everything before I start to like filter everything into a conical flask. Subhanallah. So yep, that's the updates. It's currently to 4 right now. I've been in school for over how many hours? I've been in school. I cannot tell. But you guys, this is what I've been doing. I just want this thing to like filter very, very fast. This is actually my modern, is it modern that comes? Well, anyways, this is actually the things I'm doing. And right now, I just want this to like, as you can see, to come down very fast. See how slow it is. This is what I'm doing. Oh god. And this is the remaining one. I have to finish this thing. It's 8th of February. Hi guys, good morning. Today is 8th of February and I'm actually going out to go and take pictures. It's currently 10 past 10 right now. I'm going to my friend's place first. Then once it's like 2, 3, we're going to the main location to like take the picture. So I begged her to actually like come along with me. But you guys, anyways, Sha, I just say make a content now how it's going, how my life has been in school in this February. So I got some clothes. Sorry for that lightning. This clothes are what I'm actually going with. That's guys, I want the look fine, like I want the look more feminine, I want the look more scondilium. But yeah, that's the plan, and I'll see people at the location of where I'm actually taking my pictures. Yep. But this is my outfit for the day. Streetwear vibe. Yep. Hi guys, so I'm about to head out now to go and take my pictures, and this is actually my first fit. I'm actually going to show you the fit before I step out. Yep, so this is my first fit. It's giving classy, it's giving boss chick, it's giving, yeah, you're the girl. I don't even understand but the excitement on my face. So yep, I love this gown so much, like so much. Hello. So this is, you guys, this is the second fit. Yep, the second dress is giving. Everybody say yellow. Say yellow. Yep. So this is actually the second fit, and starting with my gold jewelry, a black dress. I mean a black bag, and a black heels. Yep. Everybody say yellow. Say yellow. Say yellow. Say yellow. And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your eyes can be heard far and wide. It's only me to provide this. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I don't get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. Wannan ne? Allah. Na ce ki ban kwano guda biyu. Ba 200 bane da Allah. Haba. To ki ban ja haka mana. Na gode. Ba ni kawai haka. Guys, so hi guys, so I'm actually cooking okra soup today with eba. This is my okra that is being cut, my onions. I just prepped everything, my meat and pomon and pepper, then lastly our oil. But anyways, I'm actually cooking my friend's house. Since the day I actually came in my friend's place right now, but these are actually what I want to use. Yep, your girl is on the house. I think that this one will use that day. No, not this one will use that day. Yep, I like to stay in this place. Yeah. Hi guys, so today is Monday, 9th of February. So as you can see, I'm in the lab every day. I'm coming to the school for my practical, and today let me show you people the result of what I did on Friday. So right now I want to show you my mordant, and I'm actually doing I'm crystallizing the whole thing right now. Let me just show you people how it looks like. Excuse me. So this is it. What I've been doing since Friday. This is how it looks like. Just voila. And this is the remaining ones here. As you can see. As you can see.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Whichever time you see this, good afternoon, good evening. Anyways, it's been a minute I spoke to you people. Today is 16th. Yeah. 2 days. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine. All of you that did Valentine, I thought we were all single. You are people like lied. You lied. Oh, let me don't say the word, but It's all of you. So today I actually want to pack my clothes. I'll be traveling this week. Yep, I'm going back home. Fasting is around the corner.
Shut up, you! Shut up!
I thought I was going to do fasting here in school. I may not, depend on how it is right now in my life. But you see this box over here, this Chenjati big box. I unpack my stuff inside. I have so many things that I want to reduce, that I want to take back home. Yep. But I'll be going to school today. I'm going to school today again. Anyway, shall I just say, let me come and tell people how are you. I hope you enjoy the Valentine, and take all of you. Take them. Dash. People that collect flowers, that ate Valentine's cake, take. I thought we were all single. So yeah, I'll pack up my stuff inside this big box. Yeah, and I'll see people when I see you. Yuppie, yuppie, yuppie. Anyway, so guys, this is actually what the box looks like right now. Most of these things in here, I don't wear them, but I'll be arranging my clothes. Yep, as you can see, and watching a YouTube video. Mariam Nazif, I actually like her vlogs so much, like so much. So I'm not going to be folding with you people. I'm not going to be arranging with you people. I'll just come back and see people when I'm done. Salam. So right now I'm actually in my kitchen. I want to do my eyeliner. The only makeup thing I know how to do at the moment. Not like I don't know how to do makeup, but this is what I can do for now. And you guys, I'm scared because I'm using my Maggie rubber to support my phone as a tripod. I don't have a tripod at the moment. And you guys, my phone doesn't have a pouch. There's water here in my sink. Wait, give me a second. I'm coming. I need to support my phone right now. I'm coming. I cannot even imagine myself having to see that my phone fell into water. I'm gonna cry because this is my only last hope at the moment. I want to draw my eyeliner. God, see my skin, oh, my skin is glowing, oh. Anyways, let's do this. Subhanallah. Hey God, I'm just scared. Bismillah. I'm shaking today. I don't know why. I draw this one. And this one. I'm going to do this one. Let me see again. I actually don't know why I am sweating, but guys, I don't want to look anyhow today when going to school. I observed that ever since I started my exam, I've been dressing anyhow and that's Martin. So today we are going to do this gold jewelry because we dress pretty. I wish I can show you people the dress, but maybe it's like go to school. I've been going to school like dressing mid anyhow, and it has occurred to me that it's not the time. You just have to look good. So doing these two jewelries, they're good. Yeah, it's like open. Jeez, what is my breast? Anyway, so that's going to like arrange my scarf. Yes, think this would do. Yeah. And I'm going with a black bag. I'm going with this my normal bag, and I'll hang it like this. So yeah, we're good to go. I'll show you what's in my bag. I'm going to show you what's in my bag when I get to school. Yeah, and I mean, I look good today. I can't be looking like a trash every day of my life. I dress anyhow to school. So we have to make a change narrative small. Yep. I'm going to go and charge my laptop. There's no light for like over a week right now. So yeah, I like a nice calm daily yum yum. Yeah, this is my feet. I'm going to show you guys full fit when I go to school. Yeah.
God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this job.
You guys are in my lecturer's car. Give me biscuits and cook. Such a nice lecturer. No, my brothers were also. See? Biscuits and cook. She thought, I think yeah, this caused fever. Showing them the city of Nasser Railways. You guys so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything to me, everything I need. I will be nothing. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Hey, it's 170. Oh yeah, 500 naira. He was 500 naira, woman. Sama na jarafa. Jesus. Oh, that double this thing, I beg, no first. I beg. That's the streets. And that's how they end, I don't know. They said they gotta go do direct entry. You guys, I've been working my life in this market because I'm following my prayers by my soul. I want to eat free food, free chicken. Hey, God, I swear, bro, I don't tire. I don't know. I like you, I love you, Ton. And I don't know. Mama, it's hey, it's kind of big, oh.
Did I tell you to one guy? I said, give me a point. I beg you. What are you doing? Instagram girl.
Can you leave my video? You guys, currently 7:17. Alright, now I want to start cooking. Actually, start frying the chicken. We just finished everything right now. Yeah. Come and buy chicken. Oh, we sell chicken here. How much for one? Maybe like that. 20,080. Take one. We are back to cooking rice. Yeah, it's the next day and I'm back here at my lecturer's house. Today we are cooking rice. Jollof. Here is batty jollof rice. Thank God she has fried the meat. It just for us to come and cut this cabbage and do the needful thing. Alhamdulillah, today is the last day and I'll rest. It's a new day, it's a new week, and I'm feeling good. Since here the cucumber cutter. Hey, this is my work. I'm the one in charge of cabbage. Yep. This are what I do. These are my works. This line. I wash this. Someone helped me to slice this. Then I mix this. As you can see. Nice. Good afternoon. Right now I'm in school. I actually came to measure my material. This is what I'm using, a white material to like for the dye stuff that I've been telling you about. So apparently I was supposed to return my lecturer's plate to her. You guys, she cooked this plate for me with rice and this other plate also with what's the name, salad. And honestly the food was banging, like it banged. Alhamdulillah, I was able to like eat a lot that day. Anyway, I'm in school and I just want to like measuring my stuff, then I'm also writing them down. As you can see, writing everything down so I don't forget anything. But yeah, today is what's day is it? First day is 19, second day of fasting. Anyways, so happy Ramadan Kareem to you all. I didn't wish it yesterday. Yep, I hope you are enjoying your Ramadan strap. So I'll talk to you when I see you again. Bye bye. Today, what's this? I think today is 23, something like that. I want to end this vlog, but before I end this vlog, I want to do makeup, so I can just end the vlog. And thank you for watching. Anyways, share, like, comment, subscribe, and lastly, turn on post notifications to always get notified whenever I post a vlog. It's Ramadan period. I can't be vlogging a whole life, like a monthly vlog, and be doing Ramadan vlog. I don't have full storage for that. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you when I'm done doing my makeup. Let me prep my face and just allow it to settle and wherever, man. We're actually halfway through the makeup. As you can see, my face is already sitting, but it's not like I'm not done with everything. So I'm going to come back and show you people the whole makeup look. Yep, I actually like this makeup that I'm doing. I don't know. These are all my makeup things that I will be using. As you can see, this pot is, I improvised this pot as my tripod. You want a full makeup tutorial? Comment. I went and I will do a full makeup tutorial for you all. then you don't have to sleep, because if Eid is coming, you need makeup, you need to do makeup. So besides, come and book my best friend. Yes, she does makeup for a living. She's a makeup artist, and I used to learn some. Actually, I've not started to tell when she's doing makeup, but the one she did on my face during the my period, it was very, very nice. So come and patronize my friend, my best friend, so she can be able to take me out. As you can see, my makeup is banking. Anyways, I'll see you people in my next vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for always staying with me. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. Please tell Huda Beauty to come and give me PR. Yeah, I'll see you people in my next vlog. Bye bye.
Hey, she says to me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we dance underneath again.